Hello everyone, my name is Dia Harnoni Aprianti from the National Research and Innovation Agency. I'm also a PhD student at the MB Group, Faculty of EMCS, University of Twente, the Netherlands. This research is collaboration with my supervisors, Dr. Lux Brewers, Professor Peter Lucas, and Professor Raymond Veldhuis. Today, I will present my poster entitled Towards Explainable Automated Flower Recognition System. In plant identification, identification key is still used as the main reference for the botanist. But this method needs a lot of time, skill, thoroughness, and enough literature. Even though the interactive identification key using computer have been built, it still needs special skill to understand the plant's characteristics and the taxonomist terms. Nowadays, automated image-based identification systems also have been built, but they come with black box decision that cannot explain the detail of the decision which is needed by the botanists. In this research, our goal is to build automated flower recognition system that integrate taxonomist knowledge and the system not act as black box system, but it also can explain the decision. Our proposed solution is combining the taxonomist knowledge, image processing technique, and machine learning. For machine learning method, we use deep learning to build some classifiers for predicting flower characteristics. We also use Bayesian network to predict the species name. The inputs of the Bayesian networks are flower characteristics that we obtain from the classifiers using deep learning. To include taxonomist knowledge in our system, we have built a flower image dataset. In this research, we use orchid flowers that obtained from the internet. Besides collecting the images, we also collecting the characteristics of each species. We use number of flower, inflorescence, texture, and labellum characteristics. In here, we use 156 species with 7,156 images. We share the dataset freely on Harvard Dataverse, so everyone can use this dataset. This dataset was also winning an incentive prize in the category Science and Technology in Dutch Data Prize 2020 in the Netherlands. We hope that this dataset can be used broadly and useful for the community. For deep learning architecture, we did some experiments using VGG16, Exception, Inception version 3, ResNet 50, and NASNet. We also tried to freeze and unfreeze the layers. In the end, we end up with Exception because it gives us the highest accuracy. We got a pretty good result for the classifiers. It's above 80% accuracy. We also did some experiments using Bayesian networks to find the best structure. Bayesian networks seem promising to help achieving our goal, which is building explainable flower recognition system. By using the nodes, we can track back the reasons of giving the species name. We also had one paper published in PLOS ONE journal regarding the classifiers to predict the color of the flower and the color of the labellum. This research has some impacts. For the science, it can help in managing biodiversity, and our proposed method can also enrich the methods in explainable AI. For the society, it can help taxonomists, botanists, and common people to recognize plants. And for further work, we still need to examine the method to handle uncertainty. Finally, that's all my poster presentation. We hope that explainable automated flower recognition system can be used for better future of management biodiversity. Thank you very much for the attention.